step one, trusty helper is here, Dale. We don't have the microphone, so it might be a little bit noisy, and I just felt some rain on my head.
No.
Keep going, keep going. Okay, a little bit of rain. Hopefully rain will not stop play. We're going to get the doors off, and then we're going to get on the roof. We kind of cobbled together some ladders, so no dodgy comments about health and safety. It's off roots. We can probably go to the off route.
You ready?
You ready? Up. There we go. Right down a bit towards you. Hello, somebody. Sorry, mate. Really?
Yeah.
Where are you now?
Where I'm going.
We'll put it just against the wall over there. We'll open it out fully. That is so dodgy. Farmers wants to get to the sledgehammer and they can fix it. Right, I got that end again. You ready?
Yep.
There we go. Got away. I'm doing. Playing the groove. You good? Yeah. How many baggy doors? You are carrying that one, I'll get the other door off.
Yeah.
That is stuck.
Uh-huh.
Look off at this one, ready? That's not moving, is it?
Open it right out.
We're gonna get crowbars trying to move him off.
Coming up.
Yeah, it's gonna come. Hey, where we going?
Because there's a pallet right there, I can't go anywhere.
Huh? Yes.
There's a pallet right there. You good?
Yeah. Okay, so the way I'm planning on taking down the barn is probably not the most health and safety-esque way, but we've got the ladders kind of set up. My idea is I'm going to take off all the, basically they're like copers and the roof caps, so I'm going to take them all off. Rather than trying to mess around with the screws or anything like that, I'm just going to get the angle grinder and just take the heads of the screws off and hope they pop and we slide them all down. What I am concerned about is that bit over the door where the gable end is gone, and as the weight is released, going back to basic engineering principles here, as the weight is released, it may cause it to collapse that wall, but we'll see. This is one that I'm probably going to get lots of comments for on the safety. Obviously, I know it's probably not the safest, but it's going to be the easiest and quickest way to get it down, I think. So yeah, if there's no more videos after this, you know it's gone horribly wrong. So we'll speak to you in a little bit. feel a bit lighter.
It's smaller, that's why.
When you stack them, Dale, can you cross them like Jenga?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you go back to the Tesco, will you?
It should go there.
Yeah, I know.
Does it?
Yeah, I know. But when I put it on and it's pivoted,
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
creepy, and you just, no.
Okay, all right. Hello. Fucking hell. I nearly took the floor out.
Ciao. Ciao.
But you know it's a security right there, yeah?
Yeah.
Last night she said, I feel so down. I don't know why.
I'm going down. You know me in the timber.
If he knows, they don't understand.
Well, actually, you might want to save these. Not that one. There's no dog there, is there?
It's done. Come on.
Right, coming down.
Right, we're all here. Fine.
Where's Joe?
She's right.
Yeah.
She's fine. It's fine. Just carry on.
Huh?
Carry on. Hang on. Oh well, we'll get that one later.
Where's Joe?
What do you have behind you?
And last one, and I'll go inside then.
That's it for what the ladies went with.
Yeah, it's, we did that earlier. Okay, so that's it. So thanks for watching. I'm already started now on next week's video. We've had some more toys delivered, lots of lumber. We've had basically 50 pieces of sleepers brought in. I'm going to do some stuff in the woods. And that's the main thing with these videos is that while we are going to be focusing on doing the barns, that's the main focus of converting the barns to additional homes and living accommodation from me and the family. We also have to run the farm and get the farm ready to a point where it's usable and that we can actually enjoy everything that's going on around us. So, you know, you've seen videos where we've been cutting down some of the trees in the barn, in the woods. Videos where we're having to, you know, get an ATV to help us move things around. So they're not normally things that are tied in with converting barns, but actually it's all part of the work that allows us to get to where we need to be, not just physically, but also from a time point of view. Without some of these tools and equipment, we're not going to be able to get everything finished in a timely manner. Things also cost a lot of money. And for me, no, the wood chipper, not the wood chipper, the log splitter that we built last week, that was really a time-saving device for next year and isn't going to help us in the short term. You know, doing the compost heaps, why you've not seen that, I've had to start building them because next year, when all the raised beds are built, they're going to be using a lot of compost, and it's best to get started on them now. So we will always focus on doing the barns. The main parts of most videos will be the barns, but you'd also get to see some of the other fun stuff and the journey that we're going on in terms of equipment we have to buy, auctions that we go to get some stuff a little bit cheaper, getting lumber in, doing the woodlands, doing the hill, and just generally trying to enjoy it every now and then. It's quite difficult sometimes when you're working 5 days a week and then you spend the weekends working. So I make no apologies for jumping between barns and building stuff or woodlands and grasslands and all that kind of thing. But I really do appreciate everyone that's coming down and watching. As always, if you've enjoyed it, drop us a like, drop us comments. We do get some comments privately from friends, family, some people that are watching. But yeah, drop us a comment. Tell us what you're enjoying the most. Tell us what you're not enjoying. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. And it'll be great to hear from you all. And if you really want to keep on the journey, drop us a subscribe. We really do appreciate it. And thanks a lot. And I'll see you next week, where I'm going to be showing you this thing, which is our new wood chipper. So I'm going to get it built now. And I'll explain why I've bought a big wood chipper. Thanks a lot. See you next week.